Assalamualaikum semua, kembali bersama Kong CD untuk video kali ni. Lain sikit, aku nak buka Pokemon Pack. Okay, Pokemon Pack. Kalau tak ada yang interesting, kalau aku tak pull something yang interesting, aku tak post nanti video. Tapi kalau video ni di-upload, ada interesting dalam 6 pack ni. Okay, let me change camera angle, top down view. Okay, so ada 6 pack. Loose pack, all Surging Spark. For some reason aku tertarik dengan Surging Spark ni. Dan sebelum ni Pokemon tak berapa interest aku sangat. Tapi Surging Spark ni, for some reason, I don't know. So aku sekarang ni cari Surging Spark je. Okay, tanpa membuangkan masa, let's okay, kita pakai gunting so dia senonoh sikit. Nak buka semua sekali ke ataupun nak buka satu-satu? Okay. Okay. Okay, this one is Pupa, okay. This one is normal card, Mentine, Wuchien, Kurulage, Chill Teaser Toy. Okay, alright, this is reverse hollow. Okay, another reverse hollow. Okay, normal hollow. Alright. Right, put aside this one. Next one. Tadi yang dapat cover Pikachu. Muskil tu. Okay. Macam tak ada apa-apa je. Ada sikit. Rainbow ke? Rainbow border tu. Drill. Swell. Pashok Perry, bro. Okay, Reverse Hollow, Septitan, Jasmine Gaze. Reverse Hollow. Alright, EX, first EX, Flamingo. Okay, put here. Okay. Let's go. One. Okay. Right. Kalau Diglett, Kura, Togepi, Registeel, Orin, Zone, Halo, Tanapagos, Appleton. Yeah. Okay, full art trainer. Okay. Okay. Put here. Okay. 3 pack. 2 hit. Not too bad. This one longgar pula pedal. Oops, ada something dalam tu. I don't know what. Okay, headband. Stuffing, Shellos, Silver, Registeel, Wolverine. Sorry. Okay. Rainbow. Is it rainbow or not rainbow? Yeah. Okay. What is this? Ah, tertinggal. Okay. Nothing from this pack. Ay. Oh no! For some reason aku rasa seller tu macam tahu yang this 6-pack no hit. Aku ada konspirasi sikit lah kan. Okay, oh that's fine. Okay, first hutan. Ini muka dia macam Siti Kasim sikit. Macam siapa muka dia ni? Is it Rosmah? Meddling Memo. Okay, reverse Coolidge. Nothing again. Okay, last one. Yeah. Last one. Okay. Dia tak keluar semua. Is it keluar semua? No. Okay. Rock her. Kelimat. This one to get it. Okay, aku tengok sikit. Okay. Zizzle bed. Okay. Pawang sikit muka dia. This one Bronzo. Interesting. Ninetales. Yeah, QB bro. QB. Kad ni tak ada makna je sebenarnya. Okay. Eevee. Reverse Hollow. Dual chop. Dual chop tak main. Aku rasa dah macam nampak dia ikat ni. Buruk ni. Okay, last one. Tak ada. Normal one. What is this? Ancient Gorging Fire. Alright, that's it. So, kita dapat 2 hit sahaja. Right, 2 hit sahaja. Satu EX dan satu full art trainer. Not too bad. And aku beli pun bukan market price, a little bit below retail, but okay. So, okay lah, aku akan post. At least ada 2 hit ni, and maybe not the Pikachu one, but not too bad. Right, tu je